Hello, if you don't know what this video is about, then read the title. So, how does AIDS and HIV work? Well, it is actually not that different from other viruses. It is basically a protein-surrounded RNA, and it goes into a cell. In this case, a white blood cell. The white blood cell makes copies of the virus, and they burst out, causing the cell to die. But how come the virus does not get eaten by the T cell, which is the white blood cell that it infects? First, most viruses have a protein thingy called an antigen. This is how white blood cells identify the virus. But the HIV virus has an umbrella shield looking thing that blocks the antigens from what you call view and antibodies that B cells make. And second, more importantly, this T cell is a helper T cell, which means that it does not eat but releases chemicals to indicate to others, like killer T cells, to kill them. So, when an HIV comes in, it just goes in the white blood cell and multiplies until they come out. And that causes the death of a white blood cell. And enough times would cause a critical decline of these white blood cells, so there are only like 2 left, or 20 left out of what used to be hundreds of thousands. So, with no one to indicate which stuff are dangerous, things like the common cold would break in and multiply with no opposition and take over your body and kill you. Then, the guy would die. Okay, that's the end. If you want to watch 1 minute of RoboCop and how it relates, then continue watching. Also, the credits are at the end too. Okay, so I will give you 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here is a section of RoboCop that sort of reminds me of what happens when there are no police because they were all fired or killed, and just like the white blood cells were just, what do you call it? Destroyed. And I will not spoil it, so I'm just gonna show you this part. Okay, here. See, any criminals of any level with any experience could just take over because there was nothing to stop them. And yeah, that's all. Bye.